Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna help you troubleshoot if your Instagram feed is not showing up on your site. You had it there, but it's not refreshing as it's supposed to. I'm gonna show you how to troubleshoot it and be able to fix it right now. I don't have the exact problem right now on the site, but I'm gonna show you how to solve it so you can figure it out, get it done, and never think about it again. All right, so here we are on my demo website. On the site here, look, this is like supposed to be an Instagram feed, but it's a bunch of random photos. When you look at the save page, you don't even see this, but it's just there and it's like dead space. So what you need to do is, you see a little block here, Instagram. So I'll just double click into that and you'll see this kind of error message. You might not get this error message. It might say it's loading. What you'll need to do is add an account and then it'll say there's a pop-up. All right. So once the pop-up comes, I'll drag that into the screen here. It's asking for the required data. I'll say allow. And then once it does that, now it's going to re-authenticate. So once it does that, you'll see here, it will start to load. So you're seeing, hey, it's not loading at the moment. There we go. Hey, look at that guy. All right. So here we go. The feed is showing up. Now you have it. Cool, it's good to go. If you're still having problems, what I would do is I would hit save here. I'll just do that now. And then if you're still having problems, go back to settings and then go to connected accounts, not social links, but connected accounts. You'll see connected account is this Instagram. So I click on this and then I disconnect it. If it's like still not loading, disconnect it. And then basically you reconnect it. So just like that, it's been disconnected. I'll hit connect account. It'll pull up all these options. I'll click on Instagram. We'll do the same process again. Are you sure? Allow. Good to go. Boom, it's connected. Hit save and we're good to go. So it should be pulling data, but it's not here yet. So now we got that figured out. Now we come back to this. And then once we're in here, we double click on it. And then we just have to choose that again. So it's there, but now it's there again and we're good to go. You go to design, make changes, crop images, lightbox, all of that good stuff. You can now work on that now and you have the feed there. Friends, if you got value from today's video, hit that like button. When you hit the like button, it tells me that you got value from today's content. It tells the YouTube algorithm some fancy, important, critical information, but it tells me you got value from today's content. Next, if you want more resources for your site on Squarespace, anything from SEO to blogging, check out the links below. We have so many resources on our website and we're publishing new resources each and every month. So we have plugins, we have downloadables, we have free downloadables, we have blog posts, we have a ton of content, we have a ton of services, a ton of great things for you. Finally, if you want more content just like this, consider subscribing. We publish 3 new videos a week. My mind is blown that we're publishing 3 videos a week. It is a lot of content, but we're doing it for you. So 3 videos a week. If you want more, consider subscribing and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.